come and let go, look. You can see it.
So I bring to you now the professor from the University of the West Indies, the economist, Dr. Andre Hardy.
Just like this, anybody who have money in the comment too much, you click on their name like stuff. Hold on. When you somebody add me as they add me. I'll moderate. Let me help you out. You can't shoot them in a black. Shoot them from them small.
So anytime the change are waiting and it's coming soon.
Where the comment see?
Change
Go,
the
go,
one
go,
is
go,
coming
go.
soon. Last time this time was showing up for this time we're gonna fight for this four of course in that. We have one of course last tournaments, overtime platform. Commerce, things have not changed. When I look at the nation of such remarkable people, commerce, I know that we deserve better.
Yes.
The aim is really to make America the place to live, work, and raise families. But it's no longer that we have commerce and really know
I never
what
comment.
to speak about America having the most unemployment rate in history
I'm a
commerce.
comment
But
before.
what they do not say to you commerce is that they have employed people, but they have employed them at low-level jobs where their income is low commerce.
Maybe my
Commerce is the rate at which prices have been increasing. I went to the supermarket last week. A cup of Japanese flour, it had a group of $300. 3 months ago, commerce, it was just $150 commerce. When I go to the market commerce and I take up a pound of onion, commerce to come out, $400 commerce. $500 commerce. 3 months ago, it was about 200. When I look at a pound of rice, commerce, $800 commerce. 3 months ago,
Yeah,
it was about $400 commerce. The rate at which prices have been increasing and our income has remained the same. It's putting too much pressure on the beautiful people of Central and Jamaica commerce. I told them
what's the new one?
when we spoke about the Ministry of
Oh, well, I know, follow me back. Click on the tree that now, and then add it. If you want to come up with them, you can do it.
And the reason why it doesn't make any sense is the reason why we are creating so many jobs. But in the meantime, when we are creating and more people are working in poverty, I've been increasing the country government, more and more people have been falling over the poverty line. But by my estimation, there are over 500,000 people classified as poor in Jamaica commerce, and the next 1.5 million people who are just hovering above the poverty line. And the People's National Party does not like and appreciate that commerce. Commerce, the time is coming for us to realize that now more than ever, we have to work together and we have to believe in the dream that the People's National Party wants to create for us. Commerce, 60% of the working population have no skill, which means that we are creating so many low-level jobs. Too many low-level jobs. 65% of the working population have no high school education, comrades. That is why Michael Manley came with Jamal. That is why Michael Manley introduced preschool for adults. Comrades, this People's National Party is here to rearrange how we do education. We are here to rearrange how we create jobs. It's not just about creating jobs at the low level. It's People's National Party is dedicated to recreating what we call the middle class comrades. That's a portion of people who are earning between $50,000 a year and $150,000 a year comrades. The time for change is coming. Comrades are here and I'm ready that they are taking GCT of horses. And when I look across the lane and I'm to the island in St. James, no one benefits from these horses. In St. Elizabeth, in St. Anne, no one benefits from these horses. How can I remove GCT from horses when there's GCT and baby feed? GCT and critical food that we need, rice, flour, sugar, and so on, comrades. We have to think carefully of how we use government policy to treat a nation of such remarkable people.
ready to do it.